Want to track your rewards? Here's how you can find your scratch cards and cashback in the Paytm for Business app. Open your Paytm for Business app. You can access your cashback in 3 ways. Look for the scratch cards or cashback icons on your home screen and tap on it. Or scroll down to the Cashback and Deals section. Or open the menu section by tapping on the top left menu icon. Then scroll down to My Offers section and tap on Cashback and Deals option. All paths lead to your Cashback and Deals dashboard. Scroll down to the Scratch to collect your rewards section and tap to scratch your cards to reveal your reward. Here, your cashback updates instantly. To see your earnings, just go back to the Cashback and Deals page and tap on Cashback 1 option at the top. You'll find your total cashback balance and a detailed month-wise statement. Please note that your cashback will be credited to your settlement account within 24 hours. After checking your cashback, you can also go to the Your Active Offers section to track your progress toward the next reward. That's it. Keep accepting payments through Paytm to unlock even more rewards.
Paytm karo.